Hi folks, my name is Tom Peterson here at Guaranty RV Centers. I'm proud to do this presentation for you today on this 2017 Sprinter by Keystone. It's a 32BH. It's got lots of slide outs in it and a ton of space inside. We'll start on the inside and then we will work our way through to the outside here shortly. Let's go ahead and get this all nice aluminum step as you enter into it. Nice lightweight, long living there. You've got a very nice big interior space here. Super slide out, couch, dinette. You've got your refrigerator up a little bit higher, easy to get to. Your oven and stove there, 3-burner stove. Nice stainless steel trim there. And it's got some nice finished cabinetry as well. Looks really sharp inside here. And we've got windows in the slide out at all ends over there that open up for lots of extra ventilation. You do have some storage to the right of the refrigerator for pantry. And then you've got a bathroom door here. Really nice, nice finished up bathroom. Incredible space in there. Nice little vent and a skylight for additional lighting and plenty of headroom in there. As you go into the back area here what's so unique about this used trailer is it does have a lot of space in the back here. You've got a couple of couches across from each other there. And you've got the flip down bunks that you see above each couch. Place for a TV set at the very end. Lots of windows. You've got lots of nice light in here and lots of floor space. So you could really end up having a lot of kids in back here if needed for entertainment and such. Although we want them outside playing, right? Anyhow, they do have lots of room in there. We go up towards the master bedroom. It's got full closets on both sides with a couple of drawers, which make it really nice as well. Overhead storage too. And it looks like a nice, comfortable mattress there. And you've also got a vent overhead in the bedroom as well. The TV is a nice little entertainment center there that you can use. And you've got storage above the TV as well and down below, which is really nice. Also, they have the buttons for your power awning and for your slide outs and for your lights and such like that up high. So if you do have some little kids that want to play with things down low here, they can't quite reach them. So that's a nice feature too. Let's go on outside and see that we do have, again, that push button awning. You've got some custom wheels. You got an outside utility shower. They've got a spare tire on the back. You've also got push button for your jacks in the rear and most likely push buttons for the ones up front as well too. We'll go see that. And easy to get to valves for your dump station. You've got your power buttons again for the front up here for your jacks, and lots of storage that's up underneath through the front here on the storage. And you got your double large tanks and a power tongue jack as well. And so nice trailer, really nice fresh trade. If you have any questions, give me a call at the number you see at the end of the video. Again, I'm Tom Peterson, been here for nearly 30 years now at Guaranty. Great place to work, great place to consider buying an RV. We hope you give us a shot. If you have any more questions, once again, give me a call. And have a great day.